In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off your OneDrive on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, what you have to do is just make sure your OneDrive is over here. And if you don't see it here, just click on here and you should be able to see it in the app tray. But if you still don't see it, just go to search and type OneDrive and open it from here. And after that, you should see it on your system tray. Then what you have to do is just right click on it and click on settings over here. And after you click on settings, just this window will open up and you'll see your account and everything connected. Then just go to sync and backup. From here, you can click manage backup or simply turn everything off from here. This will make sure nothing is being backed up to your OneDrive if you don't want to use it. As you can see, mine is already turned off. If yours is turned on, just click on them and switch them back to off. And after that, just go to account. And after you're in account, as you can see, the PC is linked with an account. To unlink it, just click on unlink this PC. Then just click on unlink account. Then just give it some time. It will unlink your Microsoft OneDrive. And after that, what you can do is just go here again, right click on it and click on settings again. And as you can see, it says you don't have account connected, which basically means our OneDrive has turned off. Then we can just close this and right click it from here and click on quit OneDrive after clicking on settings. Also click on quit OneDrive over here and then just right click here and go to task manager, expand this, then just go to startup apps from here, just go to startup apps and find OneDrive from here. And after you find OneDrive, just right click on it and click on disable. It will make sure OneDrive is disabled from startup as well. And basically that is it. And that is how to turn off OneDrive on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.